America, I love you, land of the free, born from the dreams of democracy. From sea to shining sea, your spirit soars, built on the strength of those who came before. With freedom ringing in every voice, we stand as one, with every choice. From mountains high to valleys deep, your light of liberty we proudly keep. A melting pot where cultures blend, in unity our hearts extend. Diverse and rich, our stories flow. In every face, your courage shows. We reach for stars in moonlit skies, a leap for all, a bold surprise. From healing hands to tech that shines, your spirit of progress transcends all time. In music's rhythm, in art's embrace, your culture sings, filling space. From jazz to hip-hop, rock to blues, your creative soul ignites our views. Your natural beauty captivates the eye, from canyons deep to mountains high. In every forest, in every stream, you paint the landscape of our dreams. Oh, America, I love you so, a place where hope and courage grow. With all your flaws, your spirit's true forevermore. America, I love you.